butterflies inside my stomach, and I bet you don't have a clue what you've been doing to me. Okay, so when it comes to the chords that we're using for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. There's a lot of them, so let's go straight right into it. So all in all, we have the G sharp major 7, A sharp minor 7, C minor 7, D sharp 7, C sharp major 7, F minor 7, A major 7, B minor 7, C sharp minor 7, E7, just going to be this one right here, then the D major 7 chord. Okay, so when it comes to the plucking pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. So it's basically just going to be like this. Yep, just like that. Watch this strand right here. So allow me to break it down for you guys. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to be plucking the bass string, which could either be the lower E string or the A string, depending on the root note of the chord that you're playing at the time, along with the D, G, and the B strings all together. Then waiting it out for one count, then slapping your fretboard. Once again, bass string, D string, G and the B strings all together, then slapping your fretboard once more. All in all, it's going to be bass, D, G, B strings, waiting it out, slapping your fretboard, bass, D, G and B strings together, and slapping your fretboard. Yep, so all in all, it's just going to be like this. And with that said, that entire plucking pattern will be worked for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing at the time. And that's also going to be divided into 2 sections as well. So first 2 counts will be this part right here. That's going to be the bass, D, G, B strings all together, waiting it out, then slapping it. Then the next 2 counts will be the bass, D, G and B strings all together, then slapping your fretboard. Yep, so first 2, then last 2. All in all, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so for the intro as well as the first chorus section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Yep, first up is going to be the G sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts, which means that we're going to be doing our plucking pattern once. It's going to be like this. Same thing for the A sharp minor 7 chord, C minor 7 as well. Now this one's going to be the A sharp minor 7 chord for 2 counts, and we're going to be doing the first half of the plucking pattern for this one. It's going to be like this. Then the D sharp 7 chord for 2 counts, and we're using the second half of the plucking pattern now this time. Yep, just like that. Next up is going to be the G sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts as well. A sharp minor 7, C minor 7. Now this time it's going to be the C sharp major 7 chord for 2 counts. First half of the plucking pattern as well. It's going to be the D sharp 7 chord for 2 counts, using the second half of the plucking pattern. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Oh hey, now I've got a fuzzy feeling in my chest, butterflies inside my stomach, and I bet you don't have a clue what you've been doing to me, doing to me. Okay, so when it comes to the first verse section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Yep, so first up is going to be the G sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts once more. It's going to be like this. A sharp minor 7, repeating that one more time. Yep, next up is going to be the C minor 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. A sharp minor 7, C minor 7. It's going to be the A sharp minor 7 chord for 2 counts, using the first half of the plucking pattern. And the D sharp 7 chord for 2 counts. You guessed it, once again, second half of the plucking pattern. Yep, then after that, just going to be repeating this entire thing one more time. So once again, G sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. One more. sharp minor 7, C minor 7, then this, then this. Then once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Don't stop trying to love me, so I keep dying when I see you. I don't understand the chemistry behind it, the puzzle piece that I've been trying to find it. You're like medicine for the weak. You give me confidence when I speak. Is this what love is? Dying, am I losing my mind? Okay, so when it comes to the second verse section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So all in all, it's going to be like this: A sharp minor 7 chord for 2 counts, D sharp 7, then this, then this, then this, then this, C minor 7, then this, once more, C sharp major 7, C minor 7, then this one, then this one, then this one, one more time, F minor 7, A sharp minor 7, C sharp major 7, C sharp minor 7. Then once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. And darling, I've been lying about a certain kind of feeling, deer in the lights, like a catch that you've been reeling out, hunted out, scouted out, predator to prey, an accident, intentional, who's to say? But I'll be yours from day one, girl, it's that easy. I fell for you, dear, it's like life needs its breathing night. I wanna make you my everything. You wouldn't ever have to leave, oh baby, I can see. Okay, so when it comes to the second chorus section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So all in all, it's going to be like this: G sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts, this one, then this one, then after that, from this point onwards, I'm going to be transposing the chords half step up: A major 7, this one, D minor 7, E7, A major 7, D minor 7, this one, then this one, then this one. Once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Oh hey, now I've got a fuzzy feeling in my chest, butterflies inside my stomach, and I bet you don't have a clue what you've been doing to me, doing to me. Oh hey, now I've got a fuzzy feeling in my chest, butterflies inside my stomach, and I bet you don't have a clue what you've been doing to me, doing to me. And lastly, for the outro section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. That's going to be the A major 7 chord for 4 counts, or pretty much going to be the second half when it comes to the second chorus section of this song earlier. It's going to be the A major 7 chord for 4 counts, B minor 7, C sharp minor 7, B minor 7, E7, A major 7, B minor 7, C sharp minor 7, then D major 7 for 4 counts this time. It's going to be the E7 chord for 8 counts. Yep, pretty much just going to be doing the plucking pattern twice for this chord right here. And at the very end, we're going to be finishing it all off with the A major 7 chord. You could do it like this, or like this, or you could do something fancy. You know what I mean? But yeah, depends on you and your preference when it comes to playing this song. Once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Now I've got a fuzzy feeling in my chest, butterflies inside my stomach